ओम शांति। दिस इज संदीप देसाई हियर। आज हम जो पॉस्चर पर चर्चा करने जा रहे हैं वो बड़ा विशेष पॉस्चर है। इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल पॉस्चर एंड दिस इज एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ द क्लोजिंग सीक्वेंस ऑफ अष्टांगा योगा और इसे सालंबा सर्वांगासन कहते हैं। सालंबा सर्वांगासन इज वेरी हीलिंग इन नेचर। इट इज very restorative. It helps you to integrate and blend all the benefits that accrue during your practice, whether you are doing the primary series or the secondary series, into the body. So this is not to be taken lightly at all. और इसके कई सारे बेनिफिट्स है। आई मीन दिस ऑफर्स अ मल्टीट्यूड ऑफ बेनिफिट्स। पहला मेजर बेनिफिट जो है वो ये है कि इट regulates the glandular function of your thyroid and parathyroid glands. दूसरा बेनिफिट ये ऑफर करता है कि इट ट्रीट्स insomnia and fatigue. It also treats depression and anxiety. This is also known to heal asthma and bronchitis and all the throat disorders. So you can imagine the amount of benefits you can get if you practice this posture properly. See, yoga delivers only if it is done properly with an emphasis on detailing. Detailing matter a lot. Detail means everything. Now we will be taking a look at the process. So to do this posture, first you lie on your back on the floor. Now prepare your core muscles to lift the body weight off the ground by a proper application of the bandhas, the internal locks, and lift directly into the pose on an inhalation. So you can see that my feet, my hips, my rib cage are all in line with my shoulders, and my feet are lifting up by themselves. The knees are absolutely straight. The body is perpendicular to the floor, and the drashti, the gaze is towards the nose, and you hold this posture for 10 breaths, breathing deeply, evenly and strongly. मैं अक्सर ये देखता हूँ कि ये posture में कई लोग के knees ऐसे weak हो जाते हैं. So this must be avoided at all costs. Knees must be absolutely straight. And you should also apply the anal lock and the jalandhar, the neck lock and the abdominal lock. 3 locks are very important. And help support your back at the middle here. And be careful not to squeeze the shoulders together, as this may cause tension in your neck. And roll your shoulders under the body as you do this posture. Don't stop breathing. Hold it for a count of 10. And then when you want to come down, you take your feet slightly back, get your hands on the floor, and slowly, vertebra by vertebra, you start coming down. And always roll over to one side. Don't strain the back by trying to come up straight. Hope you will find it useful. And if you have any queries, any questions, any doubts, you can always reach me on this mobile phone number 098200 77570. I repeat my number 098200 77570. I hold classes in person as well as online. And I also have a wonderful website. I'm a martial artist. I'm also a Tai Chi practitioner. You can reach me at taichiindia@hotmail.com in case if you wish to write to me. Please visit my website taichiindia.com. I have also joined hands with City Yogini, which is a wonderful team of people who are rendering service for a better tomorrow. So hope to see you in near future. Have a wonderful, blessed, vibrant day ahead. Thank you so much.